everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing, but before I'm going to show what I've got for the 2022 New Year release, I just want to greet everybody a happy new year, to all of my subscribers, to all of my viewers around the world. Happy New Year to all of you guys. I know it has been a challenge for all of us in the past couple of years, and I am hoping for this upcoming year 2022, this year of 2022, that eventually hoping that this pandemic that we have on will completely eradicate. So anyway, I am so excited what I've got for this new year 2022, a brand new year and a brand new purse. So anyway, it was still wrapped like this with this holiday packaging, which is awesome. So yeah, the box is huge. So let me show you what I got right here. And to reveal my very first item for 2022, it is, oh my gosh, it's covered in a dust bag. Let me close this one first, and okay, so that we will be able to see up close on how beautiful this item is. So anyway, oh my gosh, here she is. I'm just gonna slowly open the dust bag, and here comes, wow, she is stunningly beautiful. It is my brand new purse for 2022, and wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is a Speedy Bandouliere 25. Wow, I can't get over of how lovely this is. So this one is actually on the Louis Vuitton denim collection that was released during the New Year's Eve. So wow. Okay, so this was also released on the website on the New Year's Eve, and I think this one became available on the New Year's Day at Louis Vuitton store. So I just got mine today. So I just got the chance to go to the store and pick it up. So anyway, look at the pattern, guys. The pattern is absolutely beautiful. It is more likely, this side right here, it is more likely a combination of a blue and white. So the monogram flowers are in white, and the backgrounds are sort of like a combination of white and blue right there. And then as we move along right there, so we guys all know that a Speedy is made up of one continuous piece of leather, continuous piece of canvas, or a denim. In this case, it is one continuous piece of denim. Right there, it is actually a jacquard textile though. Right there. So this is how it looks. So let's go back in the front. This one has a little bit more likely the pattern is more likely an ombre effect, or how do you say that? It is a gradient or stone wash effect, if you guys are familiar with the denim. So right here, and on the other side of it at the back, it is actually like the stone wash effect. You could actually see it completely. So this one is lighter right here, so you guys could see. And if you go on the other side is entirely different. So this one is actually washed out more on this at the back, right there. Okay, this one is of course made up of a jacquard textile. It is not leather, but the handle, the piping, and the side corners are made up of leather. So you guys, as you guys can see right here, the piping on the side, it is made up of leather, which is in blue color. This is a D-ring, so it is a Speedy Bandouliere. It's Speedy Bandouliere 25. So that means if you see this in a Speedy, it is a bandouliere, because yeah, where you could actually attach a shoulder strap. So right here on the side, it has a gold hardware. The gold tone for this is actually very, very shiny. So gold. So as you guys can see right there, oh my gosh, the stitching is absolutely amazing. Right there. Let's go back here. So let's take a look at the shapes right here. As you guys can see, this one is made up of leather as well. We have a gold hardware. The gold hardware is actually very, very shiny. It's also on the torn handle as well. And I love the contrasting stitching. It is so beautiful, the contrasting stitching right there, as you guys could see, which is in blue and white. Absolutely amazing. The torn handle as well. The two torn handle actually has a contrasting stitching as well. The glazing is in black, and look at that right there, the torn handle. The stitching is in contrasting stitching as well. The blue and the white combination is beautiful. So this is how it looks. And as you guys, I was just like totally a little bit like distracted with the hardware. So the teeth right here, it's actually in a different color. Whereas this pull tab right here, it is very, very shiny. And it is like, it's actually different though. This one is more likely in a brass color, but this one is coated with more likely a very shiny. Yeah, this one is coated and it's very, very shiny. Wow. Right there. This one, the rivets as well, is extremely shiny. So you guys, as you guys could see the difference right there. It's very shiny, very yellow, gold, and this one is more likely a brass. So anyway, this is how it looks on the side right here, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris right there, the logo right at the leather, and then on the other side it's nothing written. So let's take a look at inside. So right here, I actually saw this. I went today and I only saw it for a little bit. Okay, there's a stuffing right here. Wow. Are you guys ready to see the interior? Look at the interior, guys. Right there. It is actually made up of this jacquard material as well. And it is a different color, the same pattern, but it's different color on the inside. I just hope that my camera is actually picking up the inside of it, the interior, but it is in a lighter color. It says this monogram right there with the background of a white color right there. I wish and I hope that they actually brought in this zipper right here a little bit on this corner so I could stretch the opening a lot more. But anyway, that's how it looks inside. Let me show you the fabric on the inside. So that's how it looks, the fabric. It is denim, obviously, and we have a side pocket right here that has a zipper. I believe all the Speedies has the same pocket as well. And look, as you guys could see right here, this one is actually has a different color though for the zipper. The zipper is not too, it is made up of brass, but it's not too shiny compared to this. So you guys see the difference? So this one is more likely a brass and this one is extremely shiny. So there is a difference there. And look at that, we have a patch right here. It says right there Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. I got the one that's made in France. The pocket looks like this in the inside. It is lined. Okay. I mean, right now I'm trying to feel the weight of this. It's more like a weightless. And it does feel like the fabric, the textile is actually thick. It does seem to feel like it's made up of a high quality material. On the inside, let me see what else we got, what else we have here. Okay, I already know what this is. It is a lock and a key, obviously, right here. So we have a lock and a key. What else we have? We have a product information. So this is the product information. Speedy 25 Bandouliere blue denim M59609. This one is retails for $2,410 US. That's before tax. This is the textile interior lining. That's what it says. And now we have the strap. So the strap is made up of leather. It's the same as what we have right here on the piping and also in the torn handle as well. The same color, blue. And it has this really nice, lovely contrasting stitching as well, which is a combination of the blue and white right there. It has a gold hardware right here on both ends. And right there. So this is, and also this one has 5 settings, so you could just adjust this. The good thing about this piece is adjustable and removable as well. That's the nice thing. Okay, so wow, so beautiful. So let me just put this one right here so that I was just thinking when I saw this on the website, I was thinking that what if the strap would have been the same print as like this? You know, I don't know, because I know there is a strap available separately. It is a guitar strap that is actually the pattern is on this right here. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely gorgeous. It is amazing. And also I was thinking also from the very beginning, what if the hardware, how would it look if the hardware is in silver? But so far it actually looks great with gold hardware. There is a lot of comparison. The gold hardware actually stood out right there. The color, it is absolutely amazing, guys. I totally love it. And also I was trying to take a look at this. So there is no pocket on the side outside of it. So I was thinking like, no, there is none. Because on the website I was checking at like, how is there an outside flat pocket? I'm not really sure about that. So this one is also came with the padlock right here and the key. And I love this beautiful color. It has a really nice weight. The embroidered Louis Vuitton right there is absolutely amazing. Love those ombre effects in it right there. So give you a closer look of everything on the side. On the side as well, at the bottom. And on the other side of this is actually where you see the stone wash effect. So right there, it is so light in here and then dark. And then right here, it is a little bit darker and a little bit lighter. But this one actually shows a lot more of the stone wash effect. Okay, wow, so beautiful. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.